weather, alright?
Oh, so you're with him, are you?
No, I'm not.
No? Okay.
I'm just standing there.
Alright.
Public place. I'm taking a picture of this.
You.
So if you're calling me, so.
Yeah, so
Are
I'm
you concerned about section 1? Or?
yeah, at this point, yeah, I mean, he's saying it's 2, obviously it looks like 3 layers, got that black.
Okay, this.
Okay, does it make sense?
Okay, so based on what this lady said, this section 1. Okay, this is what I'm saying then.
I'm just rushing to go to the mosque, that's all.
Do you know this gentleman?
He's running late. The
I
Friday
asked you
Assembly's
a
starting.
question, sir. Do you know this gentleman?
Alright, don't worry about it.
You don't know him?
Sorry.
Okay.
Alright.
Did you hear what I said?
I did.
Okay. Would you like me to identify myself for the camera?
There's no need for it.
Can you please listen? Say again? Yeah, I'll
Yeah, it won't be me, don't worry.
It's alright, brother. You'll be okay. Don't worry.
I'll just hold on to these.
Just comply with the people. They, they're only trying to do their job.
It's all being recorded anyway.
It's alright, it's alright. The reason he's running because he's going to the mosque. He's running late. We're running late. That's why he's rushing.
So I've asked you if you know this gentleman.
I don't need to know. He's a Muslim, same as me.
Concerns to you at this point. If you do not know this gentleman,
Yes.
and we are to find something on him, my concern would be
I know what you mean. Yeah.
that you know him.
He's going to the mosque. He's going to the mosque. He's just an average person. You can tell. He has nothing on him. I can vouch for him.
But do you understand what I've
But
just
listen,
stated?
I fully
Yes or no,
understand.
you do.
I fully understand. It's alright, miss. You're only doing your job. It's alright. We understand. Come on. It's all wrong. Come on. Yeah, it's alright. Hello there, so you alright?
Hello. I've just explained
He stopped him because he's wearing a lot of layers on. قلت له خير بزاف الحوايج على بيحبس هنا.
بورديس
خلي تسمع.
لا حول ولا قوة
تسمع. Right, you'll be okay. You'll be okay.
What's your name, sir?
The power bank.
Okay, for your phone.
Shabu.
S-H-A-D-S-C-C-H-M-O-O-N.
N-O-O-N?
N.
N. Shamoon. Mohammed, yeah?
Yeah.
And what's your date of birth, mate?
11-10-95.
Where do you live?
14 Glen Road.
Glen House?
Yeah.
Where's that?
Story Street, near the New York.
What's your postcode?
There's nothing on him, officer, has he?
Random check.
So he's all done now, is it? He can go now, is he?
I'm going to explain it to him. I don't have to explain it to
That's
you.
all right then. No, we just getting late for the Friday sermon, so we just want to just go and do our business.
Yeah, I apologize for the way
It's
his
all
hands
right,
are.
it's all right.
Was a random Muslim check, yeah?
It's all right, 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 it's all right. Leave it. They're doing their job, it's all right.
If you leave us to it, I'll explain to this gentleman.
I'm
he can
standing
tell
here,
you
so I'm
after
standing here. So
you're-
I can record. I'm in public place. I can record
That's
this.
fine, but you're butting in and I can't explain it to him.
I've tried to get them to be quiet so you can do your job, sir. As a matter of fact, I'm backing you up.
Got a call from that officer. She is not a police officer.
Officer, why are you going to do,
Excuse me, sir. Ask for the officer's name
Excuse me.
and thing. The officer that stopped you.
I'm trying to explain
It's all
it
right,
to
it's
you.
all right.
She's not
Yeah,
butting
yeah.
in, please. She's told us that you've got here. She's called 999. Obviously,